Hello, my little artists. Welcome back to MR.PAINTER. Today, we're going to color someone very special. She's kind, loving, and always has yummy cookies. That's right, it's Grandma. Let's begin coloring. Let's color her beautiful gray hair. It shows how wise and wonderful she is. She looks so kind already. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's color her skin. I'm using a light skin tone to make her soft and gentle face. Now let's add her rosy cheeks. So sweet. Don't forget her little smile and bright eyes. Drawing. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? Time to color her dress. I'm choosing pink. It's bright, fun, and perfect for Grandma. Let's add some shadows to make it pop. What do you want to draw? Let me know in the comments. Color her shoes black. They look strong and comfy. great for walking around the garden. And here's her cane, a gentle gray color to help her walk safely. Done. Our grandma looks so sweet and lovely. Great job coloring today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time, little artists.